I'm Ty with WTI, and this is my Optimum Nutrition Amino Energy. The reason I started using this amino energy is because I have always had low energy, even to do daily tasks, but I need it even more so now that I'm entering into endurance runs. My favorite thing about amino energy is its comprehensive pre-workout support. This supplement not only provides a boost of energy, but also incorporates essential ingredients like green tea, BCAAs, and amino acids for a well-rounded workout experience. With 65 servings per container, it offers long-lasting support for energy and endurance during workouts. I love that the versatility of this powder allows for convenient mixing, ensuring a quick and effective pre-workout routine. And the Concord grape flavor is delicious. It makes it enjoyable to consume before a workout. So Optimum Nutrition Amino Energy is a powerhouse of pre-workout essentials. If you're looking for a supplement that not only fuels your energy, but also supports your overall workout performance, I highly recommend giving Amino Energy a try. And that's my point of view.